Ohwo makiria ma 1,900 njera-inĩ ya Nakuru na aria maratungatĩra cioho ngũrani nĩo matanyĩtwo kũgunĩka na ceceni ĩno. Mwandĩki mũkaru rũhonge-inĩ rwa kũrũmbũyania na ohwo nĩwe Judith Pareno akiuga rĩrĩ nĩ ikinya rĩmwe rĩa gũkinyĩra kĩhoto.
The AG has employed 2 state councils for each county in this program. This program is aimed at ensuring that all Kenyans, particularly the poor, vulnerable and marginalized, can access legal assistance, thereby giving life to the constitutional promise that justice shall not be denied on account of poverty or social disadvantage.
Legal aid is a cornerstone of a fair justice system. By enabling individuals, especially those in correctional facilities, to understand and pursue the legal rights, we are taking a bold step towards more just, equitable and humane society.
Munene wa watho bũrũri-inĩ Dorcas Odur nĩ ahinyĩrĩirie ohwo njera-inĩ iria irĩ na ceceni ici gũcihũthĩra wega nĩguo megatĩre kanya ga gũĩtetera magoti-inĩ matarĩ na mawakiri nĩguo kũnyihia ngarama ona ihinda rĩa gweterera marĩ njera.
I was here last with the power of mercy and we listened to our brothers and sisters who are convicted. It was clear that everything they were raising ended up to be lack of legal aid, lack of knowledge, and lack of representation. Such that, if that was available, most of their questions will be answered.
Some are unrepresented, others are pending cases that have delayed for extended periods, and many lack adequate information about their rights and legal processes. The Legal Aid Center has been established to bridge that gap by providing legal representation, legal advice, and timely case follow-up while promoting fair trial rights and reducing unnecessary delays in the administration of justice.
Ngĩribotera Inooro TV kuma njera-inĩ ya Nakuru, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Robert wa Maina.